To create a new product in the catalog, go to Preferences, Catalog, and click on Configure Custom Product on the top right side of the screen. The Modbus table is being displayed. Click the tab General to fulfill the following fields. The name, MPR22. The description is an optional field, you can enter the product function. The manufacturer, ENDS. The version of the meter, 1.0. Then, go to the tab Group and click on Add Group to create a new group. In this example, we will define a voltage group which is based on the Modbus addresses of our custom product manufacturer. These voltages start with address number 0, whose block is made up of 12 words. Click Update to update these new addresses. Let's go to the next tab, Channels, Services. Here we can identify which services we want to see. The group we have created before will enable to take the values. With the channels, we can view which services are available. In this example, we will link the simple voltage to channel 0. For this, the following fields have to be fulfilled. The name, V1 for voltage, 1. The unit, V for volt. The address, 0. The format, U32 for unsigned 32 bits. The word count, 2. The resolution, 0.1 according to the Modbus table of the manufacturer. The offset, 0. Then, we will add a second service in the same way to get an example with some other settings. The name, U12. The unit, V for volt. The address, 8. The format, U32. The word count, 2. The resolution, 0.1. The offset, 1. Click on Save to save your settings. Our new custom product is now embedded into Agardio.manager catalog. Now we will check the availability of the product. For this, go to the Configuration menu and click on Products. The product is available inside the catalog. First step before using the product is to check if the services we have set up previously have been saved. For this, click on the product and tick the storage box. Then, click on Next to enter the general and technical information. The name, heating. The Modbus address, 1. The baud rate settings. Click on Save. The new product is now connected to Agardio.manager. Now we will check if the values of the custom product are available. For this, go to Measurements Real Time. Select the right product, heating, and click on Apply. The voltages are available with the right resolution. Now our first custom product has been set up with Agardio.manager.